Today we have come here to celebrate the marriage of David Klaychek and Ploy Sisong. David, Ploy, you chose to marry here in Phuket, Thailand, because you both wanted to have your marriage certified in Thailand and in California. And you both wanted to come here to celebrate and pay homage to the Thai culture, which you are both embracing.
We pulled off the impossible, babe. Well, you pulled off the impossible by having an international wedding in Thailand during a pandemic, and it was incredible.
Some people refer to marriage as tying the knot. That analogy does not work for the two of you. A knot can be hard to undo. It can be rough. It can be rigid. I see the analogy for you as something like a beautiful ribbon, a connection between the two of you, that when times are needed, it can be strengthened and it can be strong.
I remember the very first time I felt this way. I asked you, what would you have done if I've never asked you for your business card? Instead of answering, you pulled out a piece of paper, scribbled with all the facts you could remember about me from the first night we met, and said I was going to try to find you. Truly, this was the first moment I realized you were going to be my forever person.
There's a champagne. Don't get it mixed up with the wine. Alcohol.
Every moment stole my breath. Bet you could see it in my smile. Should've known it was you I would love until the end.
From the day we met, February 19, 2017, not a day has gone by without us communicating in some form, in a text, a phone call, or a physical presence. Our relationship has blossomed over the past 5 years, but we knew early on that we had found the love of our lives. Together we are stronger than the sum of our parts, and I will always fight to ensure that we are together.
You have taught me patience and kindness, and through your unique outlook, you've taught me how to see the world through the eyes of those around me. Remember, earlier today. I've become a better version of myself since you've stepped into my life. When I'm not with you, it feels like I'm operating without my conscience. But when we are together, I feel safe in the knowledge that our partnership is infinite.
David, Ploy, having proclaimed your love for one another, and with the intent that your marriage be binding here in Thailand, in California, and throughout the whole world, I do hereby pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss one another.
Congratulations, let's go! Panwa Phuket Thailand logo.
Thank you again for all of your love and support. Cheers, everybody.
And again, of course, Thailand is a beautiful setting. I mean, it says so much about people, about life. And the other thing that I saw is down at the bottom of the road, there is a sign that says, "Watch out for tsunamis." And that is real. And that's actually a real part of being married. There are rogue waves, there are tsunamis, and there are things that'll come along that'll knock each of you over. And that's when your vows are most important, because you are there to warn each other when something comes up, to help each other get to safety when there's danger, and most of all, to pick each other up when life comes along and knocks you down. That is the promise of a strong and solid marriage.
I promise to be strong when you are weak, but also follow your lead and lean on you when I have lost my way. I will always support you through all our travels, proverbial and actual. Today we proclaim our love and union before our family and friends. With them as our witness, I give to you all my loyalty and love forever.
I promise to accept you as you have accepted me, quirkiness and all. I promise to be there for you and your children, no matter what challenges arise along the way. I promise to be loyal to you and to never take that $50 million proposal. I promise to be your partner in adventure and always encourage our passion for exploring the world. I promise to support your love of dairy, no matter how much I don't understand it. And above all, I promise to love you as you have loved me unconditionally.